If you thought cucumbers are only for salads and raita, it's time for a surprise. I have for you today simply delicious cucumber or kheere ki sabzi. I have 5 peeled cucumbers here. Let's chop them. Cucumber as a vegetable is extremely soothing for the stomach. Hence, the curry which we are going to make from cucumbers will be simple and soothing without using much spices. No garam masala and no onion garlic, yet delicious. Let me show you how. I'm heating 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let's add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 pinch asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Add to the spices 1 cup tomato puree. Let's saute this with the spices for half a minute. Now goes in half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and half a cup of curd. Make sure to give a continuous stir once you add the curd. Let's add the chopped cucumbers to the sauce. Add around half a cup of water to this. Let's bring this together. Add the salt and mix. I am putting the lid on the kadhai and we will let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low to medium heat. Let's check on the curry. The gravy has thickened and the cucumbers have turned soft. Kheere ki sabzi is ready. Enjoy with hot rotis and satisfy your soul with flavors of simplicity. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.